Okay, so now we're going to go on to box plots. All right, and here we call them box and whisker diagrams. Exactly, so this is the box here, and these are the whiskers. So box plots are useful for comparing two or more sets of data like that shown below of the heights of the boys and girls in a class. Okay, so what I want to show you is, first of all, the box covers, from here, the first part of the box starts at your Q1. You then place a line where your Q2 is. So where your median is, you place a line where your median is. The box finishes at the end of your Q3. Okay. This is continuing to the end of your numbers. So if your number was, say, 186, it would say stop here. But if it went all the way to 90, your whisker would go all the way out to there. And you stop it at the end of your first number, and then this would be the end of your last number. Okay. So, anatomy of a box and whisker diagram. So, the numbers start at 4, they end at 12. So, you've got your little your numbers underneath there. Your box starts at 5.5. So, that'll be your Q1. It ends in 9, which is your Q2. There's your whiskers. Now, this is generally 1/4. This is generally another quarter. Your median is another quarter, and then your whisker is your last quarter. Okay. So your median goes on here at 8, and your whisker goes all the way through to 12. So that is your indication of your lower quartile. That is your indication of your upper quartile. That is your lowest value, and this one will be your highest value. All right. If you had to draw a box plot for the data below, okay, it's already ordered. So, first thing you're going to do is you're going to identify your median, your lower quartile, your upper quartile, okay? Then you're going to create a little box like this. Now, remember, when you draw these guys, they've got to be perfect, okay? So use your ruler, make them a centimeter or half a centimeter across, depending on how many you have, and make them really neat and label them really neatly, okay? So your smallest number to your biggest number. You then draw your box plot, so 5.5 is halfway, and your other one goes to 9. So that's how you know how long to draw your box for, and then a line down for your median. Your whisker goes all the way to 4 and all the way to 12. Another one, you've got your median is 8, your upper quartile is 10, your lower is 4. So your numbers go from 3 all the way to 15. So that starts at 4, that ends at 10. Your median should go in there, cool, at 8, and your whisker goes all the way across. If you start with big numbers like this one, find your normal. So you got your median, your upper quartile, your lower quartile. Now, they're going to start at 130 and it's going to end at 190. But your numbers actually end at 186 and start at 137. So when you draw your box, you actually need to draw your whiskers. Your whiskers will stop at 137 and 186. So your box starts at 158. It ends at about 180. Your median, put it in at 171. Now your whisker, can you see how it stopped there? Because that's 137. And your other one will stop there because it was 186. So just bear in mind when you do that. Yeah, and that's about it. So go ahead and give it a try, please.